Understanding the key elements of cybersecurity is essential in protecting digital assets and information. In this section, you will learn the core principles of cybersecurity, which form the foundational concepts necessary for developing robust security strategies. Delving into these principles, you will explore confidentiality, integrity, and availability, along with the importance of these pillars in maintaining a secure digital environment. Next, you will examine the various types of cyber threats that organizations and individuals face today. From malware and phishing to more sophisticated attacks like advanced persistent threats and ransomware, understanding the nature and mechanics of these threats is crucial for effective defense. This knowledge will help you anticipate and identify potential vulnerabilities within systems. Following this, the section covers cyber defense mechanisms, equipping you with strategies and tools to protect against cyber threats. You will explore firewalls, intrusion detection systems, multi-factor authentication, and other critical defense measures. By grasping these mechanisms, you will be better prepared to implement and manage security protocols that safeguard digital infrastructures. Cryptography basics will then introduce you to the science of encoding and decoding information. You will learn about various cryptographic techniques and their applications, including symmetric and asymmetric encryption, hashing, and digital certificates. This segment is fundamental for understanding how sensitive information can be securely transmitted and stored. Lastly, the section on cybersecurity frameworks and standards will provide an overview of the guidelines and best practices that govern the cybersecurity landscape. You will study established frameworks such as NIST, ISO/IEC 27001, and others, which help organizations systematically manage and mitigate cyber risks. Familiarity with these frameworks ensures that you can align security practices with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Together, these lessons will offer a comprehensive understanding of cybersecurity, empowering you with the knowledge and skills to navigate and protect the digital world effectively.